All right, I have everything in. I have my setting at 5, and I'm going to work. And I'm going to walk up and down. Probably walk about 4 or 5 feet apart. I'm gonna start over here in this corner. So basically, I guess what I'm doing is every other stripe. If you can see the stripes in the yard. Maybe I'll walk every stripe. Looking at the spread pattern. Got a refill, guys. 2 refills. My backyard is nice size, so. Turf builder triple action. All right, guys, we're here on the side yard. We're gonna do the same process along the side. I'm gonna disappear because I'm going down the side of the house. I'm gonna mix up some weed kill. And I'm gonna spray my flower bed to keep all the weeds from voluptuating and taking over my flower bed. I got Roundup and I got Fertilone. I use this in the yard. I haven't used this year. Wait till it get a little cooler out to use this because this is cooling weather performance proven. This is Roundup. I mixed the appropriate amount in a multi-purpose sprayer. And I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna spray around the flower bed. Hopefully do some weed control. All right, as you guys can see, we got some weeds coming up against the foundation of the home. We're gonna go in with our Roundup. We're gonna not mist it, we're gonna soak it real good. Even though we put down that barrier, it seems to have a few items slipping through the cracks.